It's Ava from Wisco Flava. It's still the first night of Hanukkah, and here's a quick recap of the last video. In the first night of Hanukkah from the PJ Library Hanukkah kit, we made a make-your-own family menorah. It came with 10 of these hex bolts, the glue, and this wood piece. Now, let's see what other things are in the bag. Night 2 is this giant paper bag. It is Decorate a Hanukkah t-shirt. That's awesome. I can't wait. I have my own fabric markers, but I think there's fabric markers in the bag, so we'll be okay. Let's find day 3. Night 3. Cookie night. You can bake Hanukkah cookies using the cookie mix and cooking cutter. Items needed is 1 stick of butter, and that's it. How easy is that? Let's find night 4. Night 4 is this very thin bag. Is there even anything in it? I don't know. Let's read it. It's Tikkun Olam night. Take this bag, or you can use your own bag, to the store and decide as a family how to fill it. So yes, it is an empty bag, but you get to take this bag or a different bag to any store you want and decide how you're going to fill it. So it could be a grocery store, it could be a bakery, it could be a craft store. We're probably going to go to Michael's because Michael's is awesome. That's where I get all my craft stuff. But any store you want, and just fill this bag up, and that's awesome.
Can you tell everybody what Tikkun Olam means? Tikkun Olam is giving back and making the world a greater place. So you can also put in gift cards. This is going to a family that may not be able to celebrate Hanukkah the same way we can. What you got next?
Night 5. Decorate your own dreidel and start spinning with your family. I think we ate all the goat we have. I'm not sure. We'll have to see. But if we don't have that, then we'll spin for we'll spin for Halloween. I was getting mixed up there. I don't know why. Night 6, are we on? Yes. Night 6 is this envelope. Grab some crayons or markers and have fun with all the fun activity pages. So it looks like there's activity pages and coloring pages in this. That's fun. Let's find night 8. Wait, we missed night 7. Night 7 is this envelope. Hanukkah bingo! That sounds super fun. Have a fun family game night playing Hanukkah bingo. I wonder what kind of things are on there. Night 8. Say cheese, this year is unlike any year we've seen before. That is very true. Take a family picture and decorate the frame. So you take a picture and then you just need markers, paint, or glitter glue like on here. And there's a picture frame in here. So you can put the picture in there but decorate it first because you wouldn't want to ruin the picture. That's all of the things in here except for, of course, you need hand sanitizer. Can't go wrong with hand sanitizer this year. And then we have a clip in the shape of a heart.
Who sponsored those, darling?
The congregation of
Fort Zion. And the hand sanitizer?
Is the Jewish Tuition Organization.
Jewish Tuition Organization. And then what school?
Pardes, which is the Jewish private school next to the JCC and next to the school I go to, Snore and Sky. In here we have a sheet for Pardes, interested in learning more about Pardes, that kind of stuff. And then it looks to be a bookmark maybe. And then it's one of those scratchy things. How fun. And that is all in the bag, but how fun is that to have 8 nights of Hanukkah and fun things, plus, hand sanitizer. clip, the bookmark scratch thing, and things for parties. This is awesome. And my favorite is going to be the cookies because cookies are awesome. I'll see you later, and I hope you enjoy this small clip of what's inside of the PJ Library bag.